Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a man's neck wrap mangle. Now, knowing how to do a neck wrap would be helpful, just the principles of it, so something like a neck wrap push spin, and knowing how to do a mangle already would be helpful, and that will mean you've got all the skills to do this, which is just a nicer way in to a mangle. I put links to those in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to find them if you want to have a look. And jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. It starts off the standard way you would get into a neck wrap, which means in this case we're going to be doing a travelling return with 2 hands high. So we end up in a double cross. Instead of stepping away at the end of the double cross, the guy's actually going to be using that count to turn to his right to do his wrap on himself. So what happens is the right hand slides down to the shoulder, the left goes over the top. So the right is now coming into this comb across the back of the guy. The left goes down, the comb comes off the guy and over the lady. The left comes up, goes through the middle to the right, turning the lady away. Then we get the mangle bit where we go down with the left, down with the right. Then we're going to go double time for a change, and we're going to come up 1, 2. We're actually going to do an unusual exit as well. So we're going to go to the elbows at this point, prep the lady, and then spin the lady from there, and catch, return, and back. So it's a little bit different to usual. So this time we'll do it from this side so you get the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, travelling return 2, guy goes round 3, combs the lady 4, goes over and down 5, down 6, up with both on 7, preparation 8, spin 1, catch 2, return 3, and back 4. So let's try it together. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, man's neck wrap, mangle. It's a back. Over the lady, guy goes round, comb the lady, over and down, down, then up, up, prep, spin, catch, return, and back. Hope you find that one useful and fun out on the dance floor. Gives you an alternative version of the mangle. Kind of a nicer way in than some of the other ones. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move and helps promote the channel as well, so pop a like on it. Thank you very much. Subscribing helps promote the channel generally, which is awesome. Thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, if you've got notifications turned on in your settings, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end comes up in the last few seconds of the video in one of the windows. Just a quick link to a music video, something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.